So we got the old hound rig here, and last time we had it in the shop, we've noticed this for a really long time, but the mechanic said your airbag light stays on. So it went off and it came back, and of course they wanted, like, I don't know, 3 arms and a leg to throw it on the scope and figure it out. Well, a quick search online, and it turns out this is really common with these 2005 conversion vans from GMC and Chevy. And so the problem, shut this off now, is under the front. So under here, if you look right there, that guy needs to be replaced, and I just so happen to have a new one in the house. So I'm gonna get this on, but that looks like a really messed up bolt. The new one has a T30 Torx in it, so well, let's do this. So I couldn't actually break it free, so I had tried one of these. That's focus 5/30 seconds on this side of this guy. As you can see, it's in my hand. I used a little help. So basically this whole thing is really seized up inside, but under the truck where the mounting plate is goes right there, so it's a slotted keyway, and the new one basically should just slip in there. That's the hope. So basically there's a focus, so right there, like a plastic key goes in there, and then the new nut slides up there that way, and then I'm supposed to somehow tighten it. Truth! Is the airbag gonna go off in my face? No airbag going off in my face. And no airbag light. Yay! Putting that new one in was a lot. Hang on, there's a lot of traffic. Let me go over this quiet engine. It was much easier to put in. I used the 5/30 seconds or 4.5 millimeter multi-point socket to tighten it up from the backside, so I didn't have to really hold on to that nut on the underside of that piece of mounting plate. So that's it.